Suppose Joe pulled out a batch of cookies out of the oven. Sam counted them and came up with a total of 12 cookies. Maria said, "Let's divide the cookies evenly between the three of us." Sam took the cookies and placed them an equal amount on each of 3 plates. Joe noticed that there were 4 cookies in each plate, and Maria said, "That's because 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. This division problem could be written in each of 3 different ways. Either using the long division symbol, the obelisk symbol, which is the dash with the dots above and below, or using the fraction bar. In each case, the 12 is called the dividend, the 3 is called the divisor, and the 4 is called the quotient. Also in each case, the problem would be read as 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. The dividend is the number that is being divided. The divisor is the number that is doing the dividing, and the quotient is the result or the answer. So note that division is the inverse operation of multiplication. That is, I can start with 4 times 3 equals 12, invert that to get 12 divided by 3 equals 4, or 12 divided by 4 equals 3. One way to think of division of whole numbers is repeated subtraction. For example, to divide 12 by 4, we can ask, how many 4s can be subtracted from 12? Since exactly 3 4s can be subtracted, I start with 12, I subtract 4, subtract 4, subtract 4, and then I'm end up with nothing. So I can do I can subtract 4 3 times. I know that the quotient is going to be 3. If I want to do 385 divided by 7, well, repeated subtraction may not be the best way there. So what I'll do instead is I'll figure out 7 does not go into 3, so let's look in 7 into 38. 7 goes into 38 5 times, since 5 times 7 is 35. And then I'll subtract 8 minus 5 is 3, bring down the other 5. And I can see that's, now I repeat the process. 7 goes into 35 5 times. And so my answer for this 385 divided by 7 is 55. If I want to figure out 3,172 divided by 61, well, 61 does not go into 3 or 31, so let's look at 61 into 317. I know 60 goes into 305 times, and that sounds about right. So I'll start with 5 there. And then I'd multiply. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 6 is 30. And now subtract. So 7 minus 5 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. Then I bring down. 61 goes to 122 twice. Nothing left over. So 3,172 divided by 61 is 52.